Ever found yourself wrestling with an overflowing suitcase the night before a big trip? It's a common scenario, but there's an art to packing that can transform this stressful experience into a smooth and even enjoyable task. Step 1 is to start with a list. The most seasoned travelers swear by this method. It's all about jotting down each item needed for the trip, from essentials like clothing and toiletries, to those easily forgotten extras like chargers and travel adapters. Next, it's time to choose the right luggage. This may seem obvious, but the bag or suitcase selected can make a world of difference. For short trips, a carry-on might suffice. For longer journeys, a larger suitcase could be necessary. Look for luggage that's durable, lightweight, and easy to maneuver around busy airports or train stations. The third step is all about the clothes. Roll, don't fold. By rolling clothes, one can save space and avoid wrinkles. Try to stick to a color scheme to mix and match outfits. And remember, it's always better to be slightly underpacked than to lug around an overstuffed suitcase. Step 4 is to utilize packing cubes or bags. These nifty tools help to compartmentalize items and keep the suitcase organized. They're especially handy for separating clean clothes from laundry or for keeping delicate items safe and secure. The fifth step is to pack strategically. Heavy items should go at the bottom of the suitcase near the wheels to maintain balance. Valuable items should be packed in the middle, cushioned by clothes for protection. Lastly, always remember to leave some room for souvenirs or additional items that might be acquired during the trip. A tightly packed suitcase on departure can lead to a real headache on the return journey. So to recap, 1. Start with a list to ensure nothing is forgotten. 1. Choose the right luggage based on the type and length of the trip. 1. Roll clothes instead of folding them and stick to a color scheme for easy outfit coordination. 1. Use packing cubes or bags to keep the suitcase organized and protect delicate items. 1. Pack strategically, placing heavy items at the bottom and valuables in the middle. 1. Leave some room for souvenirs or additional purchases. With these steps in mind, the once daunting task of packing can become a breeze. So, the next time a trip is on the horizon, remember these tips and pack like a pro.